Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a pretty important, if not urgent, matter to look at. If you use Facebook on your iPhone or Android phone or tablets, iPads and Android tablets, the app has a new feature that you want to make sure it is off. So you go to your profile, you turn on, you click on your Facebook app, and there you go to your profile and you go to settings and privacy that you see here. Once you are there, you will go, and this is down the page, by the way. So once you're on your profile, you'll have to go down the page to see settings and privacy. Then you have to go into settings, and then you go into camera roll sharing suggestions. And this is where it's important. These two options. One is on by default. Get camera roll suggestions when you're browsing in Facebook. And it says it takes basic camera roll data, but it still takes data. And the other one, get creative ideas made for you by allowing camera roll cloud processing. This, and it says here, sends your pictures from your phone or tablet to the cloud, Meta's cloud for AI, and this you do not want for sure. So I suggest that you turn these two off. Meta has enough data on us already without having to snoop into our pictures on our devices. If that is on, if these two switches are on, your pictures could be sent to Meta's AI cloud service. All of them, your videos also, and they're all analyzed. And this is really, really something you don't want. So once again, just to help out, you go to your profile, go down, down, down until you see settings and privacy. Then settings, then camera roll sharing suggestions, and finally, make sure that these sliders are off so that you don't have snooping of Meta and that your pictures stay in your phone. They don't upload to the cloud, to Meta's cloud service for AI analyzation and tracking, basically. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.